Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about autism. Autism spectrum disorder, often called autism, is a developmental condition that affects communication, behavior, and social interaction. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, about 1 in 36 children in the United States alone has been identified with autism. Although genetics play a major role, scientists have also been studying environmental factors that may increase the risk of developing this condition. Understanding these environmental influences can help researchers better understand autism and potentially improve prevention and support strategies. Today I will explain 3 major environmental factors and researchers have studied in relation to autism. Prenatal environmental exposures, parental age, and complications during pregnancy. One environmental factor researchers study is exposure to certain substances during pregnancy, which basically means during the time, where the baby is developing, anything that, the mom puts into her system or anything that she's exposed to can also have an effect on the fetus growing. According to research published in the journal Environmental Health Perspectives, prenatal exposure to high levels of air pollution have been associated with a higher likelihood of autism. So that can be living near a factory or, smoking or, living near a dump, anything that can affect the air quality that we're breathing in can have an effect on the fetus. Additionally, some studies have examined exposure to pesticides during pregnancy, have also found possible associations with increased autism risk. However, scientists emphasize that those exposures may increase risk, but do not directly cause autism on their own. Parental age. Another environmental factor studied by research is the age of parents at the time of child's birth. Researchers from the National Institute of Environmental Health Scientists indicate that children born to older parents, especially fathers over the age of 40, have a slight higher chance of being diagnosed with autism. Scientists believe this may occur because genetic mutations can accumulate in reproductive cells as parents age. Although parental age is considered a risk factor, most children born to older parents do not develop autism. So, for you parents out there that are starting it a little late, don't be too discouraged. Final thing, pregnancy and birth complications. Certain complications during pregnancy or birth have also been studied as possible environmental influences. According to the World Health Organization, factors such as premature birth, low body weight, or oxygen deprivation during delivery may increase the likelihood of developmental conditions, including autism. Researchers believe these complications may influence the brain development during critical stages of growth. Again, these factors are associated with increased risk, but do not guarantee a child will develop autism. Autism is a complex condition influenced by many factors. Scientists believe autism develops from a combination of genetic and environmental influences rather than just any single cause. So, for a quick recap, today we discuss 3 environmental factors researchers are studying. Again, the prenatal environmental exposures, the age of the parents, and also any complications that could happen as birth. Continued research will help scientists better understand how these factors interact and may eventually improve early detection and support for individuals with autism.